Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we are talking about one of the most important financial developments of 2025, Japan's official launch of the digital yuan. The world's first fully bank controlled central bank digital currency that now is operating on a national level. This marks a major milestone in the global financial system, and many experts believe it could completely change how money works in the future. Japan has testing the digital yuan for several years, but 2025 is the year when the project finally went to live nationwide. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, decentralized digital tokens, the digital yuan is fully controlled by the Bank of Japan. It is not mined, it is not based on blockchain freedom, and it does not depend on private companies. Instead, it is issued directly by central bank, and every transaction can be monitored and verified through Japan's financial infrastructure. The purpose behind launching a central bank digital currency is to modernize payments, increase financial transparency, and give the government more control over the financial system. Japan has been facing economic stagnations for decades, and policymakers believe the digital yuan will help improve efficiency, reduce cash handling cost, and strengthen the country position in the global economy. The government also argued that a digital currency will reduce fraud, tax evasions, and illegal financial activity. During the pilot phase, Japan tested the digital yuan in multiple regions and evaluated how people use it for shopping, transportation, online payments, and even government service. Now, with the full launch, Japanese citizens can use the digital yuan through official government-approved apps and digital wallets. Major banks in Japan, including Mitsubishi UFJ Sumitomo Mitsubishi and Mizuho have also integrated the system, allowing millions of people to instantly receive, store, and send digital yuan. One of the biggest features of Japan's digital yuan is that it does not require a bank account. People can simply use a government digital ID and connect to a mobile wallet. This makes the digital yuan accessible even for people without trading banking service. Japan wants this system to become the foundation of a future cashless society, making payment for faster and more efficient. However, the launch of the digital yuan has also raised major concern. Christ said that a fully bank-controlled digital currency gives the government unprecedented power over people's financial lives. Every transaction can be tracked, every payment can be monitored, and sending patterns can be analyzed. Privacy advocates fear that could lead to financial surveillance where citizens no longer have the same level of freedom that cash provides. Another concern is programmability. Experts warn that central bank digital currencies would eventually be programmed with limit or conditions. For example, government could restrict how digital money is spent, where it is spent, or where even expose expiration date to force economic activity. While Japan has said it will not use such features for now, the possibility exists in the long term as technology evolves. Despite these concerns, many countries are closely watching Japan's progress. China already has its own digital currency, the digital yuan, but Japan model is being seen as more transparent, is more aligned with Western financial system. The United States, the European Union, and United Kingdom are all studying Japan approach. They consider their own CBDCs. If this digital yuan becomes successful, it could accelerate global adoption and push more countries to launch their own central bank digital currencies. For business, the digital yuan offers faster settlement times, lowest transaction fees, and more secure transactions for consumers. It promises convenience, instant payments, and direct access to digital money. But for the global financial system, it could represent the beginning of a new era, one where government and central banks have more direct control over digital money than ever before. Japan's movies hold bold, historic, and potential games changing. Whatever the world embrace this model or reject, it will depend on how Japan's digital yen perform in real world use. But one thing is clear: the launch of the digital yen is 2025 market marks a turning point in financial history, and the impact will be felt far beyond Japan's border. If you want more global financial update like this, make sure to subscribe to Xrax School and turn on the notification bell. Thanks.